Hello children, welcome back to the video session of computer science. Today we are going to enter into the next chapter, Introduction to Windows 7. Come, let's get started with the lesson.
Chapter 2 Introduction to Windows 7. Introduction. As we need energy to work, a car needs fuel to run. Similarly, computer needs an operating system, that is OS, to make it work. Operating system is nothing but a program which enables the computer to accept commands from the user to perform necessary actions. An operating system is thus defined as a collection of programs which controls the overall activities of the computer, such as input, process, memory, and storing of data. Thus, it acts as an interface between the user and the computer. Some of the operating systems are MS-DOS, Windows, Unix, and Linux. We shall now discuss about Windows 7 operating system. Come, let's enter into the lesson. Windows 7. Windows 7 is a computer operating system developed by Microsoft. It has a graphics user interface, that is GUI, that allows the user to interact with items on the screen. Features of Windows 7. Some of the common features of Windows 7 are its speed, touch, desktop gadgets, arrow shake, and arrow snap. Speed. The time taken for booting the system is reduced when compared to other older versions. Touch. Touch is the new feature added to Windows 7. It is a new way of interacting with the computer. This feature works only on those screens which are touch enabled. Desktop gadgets. Gadgets such as weather, clock, calendar, CPU meter, etc. can be placed on desktop. Arrow shake. When many applications are open, to minimize them in one shot, arrow shake can be used. Arrow snap. Arrow snap is used to resize and expand applications windows quickly. Files. A file is a collection of information. It consists of text, pictures, numbers, sounds, or combination of all. A file is identified by its name. For example, samsel.docx. The file name has three parts: file name, a dot, and the extension. File name is the name given to a file. Here the extension docs indicate that it is a document created using MS Word application. The dot separates the file name and the extension. Some of the file extensions are given in the table. First one, .txt. It is the extension of Notepad application files. Next, .bmp. It is the extension of Paint application files. .jpg. It is the extension of picture files. .gif. GIF. This is the extension of animated picture files. .wav. This is the extension of sound files. Folders. When different files are grouped under one name, then it is called a folder. A folder consists of files and subfolders. Drives. The hard disk in the computer can be divided into 2, 3, or more partitions, and each partition is called a drive. A drive is a storage area in the hard disk where files, folders, and application programs are stored. Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a program which manages the contents of the hard disk. It helps to explore the files, folders, and drives. To open Windows Explorer, click on Start button and type Windows Explorer in the search box, or click on Start, go to All Programs and go to Accessories, and then go to Windows Explorer. The left part of Windows Explorer displays drives, folders, and other hardware details, and the right part displays files, subfolders, and the content of the selected item on the left part. Let's see the file management in Windows 7. Some of the basic operations that can be performed on files and folders are create, copy, move, and rename. We shall now discuss how to perform these operations in Windows Explorer. First, we are going to learn how to create a folder. To create a folder, open the drive in which you want to create a new folder. Creation of new folder can be done in two different ways. Click on the new folder button which is present in the menu bar, or right click and then select new. A sub-menu will appear, then click on folder. Let's learn how to open a file or folder. This option is used to view the contents of a file or folder. A file or folder can be opened in three different ways. Select the folder you want to open. Click on Open button from the menu bar, or double click on the folder, or right click on the folder and select the option Open. Renaming a file or folder. This option is used to change the name of a file or folder. A folder can be renamed in two different ways. Select the folder and click on Organize and go to Rename, or right click on the folder and select Rename. Then type a new name and press Enter key. Next, we are going to learn how to copy a file or folder. This option is used to create a copy of file or folder in different location. Select the folder and click on Organize and click Copy option in that. The folder gets copied on the clipboard. Select the location where the folder has to get copied. Now click on Organize and select the option Paste. Thus the folder gets copied onto the selected location. Or right click on the folder to be copied and then click on Copy. Now select the location, right click on the empty area and select the option Paste. Let's see how to move a file or folder. This option is used to move a folder from one location to another. To move a folder, select the folder, click on Organize and select the option Cut. Now select a different location where the folder has to be moved, then click on Organize and select the option Paste. The folder gets moved to the selected location. Or right click the folder and click on Cut. Then select the location, right click on empty area and select the option Paste. Finally, we are going to learn how to delete a file or folder. This option is used to delete a folder. Select the folder and click on Organize and click Delete. Or right click on the folder and select the option Delete. Viewing files and folders. We can change the view of files and folders in different ways. The option is available in the upper right corner of the window. The More Options button will display a list of views as follows. There are extra large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles, and content. The files or folders can also be viewed by right-clicking at any blank area and selecting the option View. Extra large icons and large icons. Extra large icons gives the biggest view of the folders. Large icons also give a bigger view of the folders. But large icons view is smaller when compared to extra large icons. Medium icons. It gives a good idea of the content, but the icon size is smaller than the large icon. Small icons. Small icons view is much smaller than the medium icons. Here, the folders and files are displayed as icons with their names in the right side. If the file and folder name is big, it displays only the first part of it. Next, list. In this view, the folders are displayed one below the other, followed by files. Details. Details view is similar to list view, but it gives more information. In this view also, the folders names are displayed first, one below the other, preceded by small icons, then followed by files. For folders, it displays the date and time it was created or lost modified. For files, it displays the file size, the application name along with the date and time it was created or lost modified. Tiles. In Tiles view, the files and folders are displayed as icons with their respective names on the right side. For files, it also displays the application name and the file size too. Here it displays the complete file folder name. Next, content. Content view displays the folders and files row-wise with detailed information.